Yeah, welcome back to this second demo video, and in this video we'll be sharing how you're going to pull those fans from Facebook to get them to read your article on your website. So the first step for us to take is I will assume that this is the article. Alright, I'm using this NYC article just as a demo. So let's assume you've already published it as demonstrated in the first video, and this is actually the article that you want to share on the article or story that you want to share on for your fans, with your fans, I mean, on Facebook. So here is the link, and you don't want to copy the link directly because it's quite long, and you also want to track it so you'll be able to know the number of people that are clicking on that link. Okay, so what you do is to copy the link. All right, you can Control C or copy it like this. Then the next step is for you to go to, there's a tool Google created, and that is you go to goo.gl. that's www.goo.gl. so that's what you are seeing here. When you type it on your browser, it will take you to this page, and for you to be able to track the links that you've cloaked, alright, or shortened, is a URL shortener, so it helps you to shorten long URLs, and it also helps you to track it, you know, the number of clicks on that link that you shorten. So in that case, to be able to track it, you need to sign in, alright, with your Gmail account, and I know you have one already. So now I will sign in with mine. Okay, now I will copy the link that I've already copied, and I will paste it here. Then I will click on this URL shortener. So when you click on it, you get this. Alright, it will tell you that you should press Ctrl C to copy. But before you copy that, you will want to go to that Facebook image, or which that story picture as demonstrated in video 1. Here is the wedding story image that has been sent to you, and you want to share it. So what you need to do is go back to that same page, then click on share. Okay, so when you click on share, it tells you where you want to share it. So now you go to your the Facebook page that you manage. In this, one of the Facebook that manages the NYSC membership. Then you can now click on Marriage is Beautiful page that you manage. So where they say something, you now go back to that article, the main article itself. Then you wouldn't want to copy the first paragraph and second paragraph, so you look for perhaps second to the last paragraph, or last paragraph will be okay, and look for some kind of touching words that has been used. And of course you can write just an introductory story, all right, right up to the main story, so that you have them to read it and come to click on the link and go to read the main story. So now in this I will here, I believe I wrote here, I believe that blah blah blah. So now with this, I will copy this. I think this has a catching word, so I will copy this, for example, all right, so that I could tell them some of the things that is already on the article. So I will copy it, then I will go back to that page where he said say something on Facebook image that I want to share. I will click on it here. So when I click on it, this is just an introduction of that. I could put like a quotation mark, perhaps saying that I quoted it, as I picked it from the article or from the story. All right, so here I will now say read more. Okay, I will say read more. So when I say read more, then I will say read more here. Then I will go to that URL, that Google URL here where it said copy. Then I will now copy it, Ctrl C to copy it, or right click and click copy here. Then I will go back there, then I will paste here. I will paste it here, as you can see. So now when you paste it here, there's already an image, and this is the image of that food that is on your blog. So what you do is you will now click on share photo, but I will share this and delete it because this is not actually the photo that I want to share with this. So for the sake of this demo, I will do it and delete. So now So once you've done that, you just click share. So once you click share, okay, once you click share, it will be posted on that page. So if we go to the page, for example, to track it, of course I'm going to delete it now. So if you go to the page to track it, you could see it exactly. All right, you could see that is here. Here is the story, here is a picture, and here is the introductory story. So when they click on it now, for example, if they click on it now, it takes them straight to the site to read. So they can read the full storyline here. They can read the full storyline and make comments. And when they make the comment, all those things increases your site ranking and create activity. So if I have like Amazon products here and on the footer like I have on your site, for example, then they'll be able to buy something also with that and read and make comment, and we'll be able to take some of their track their emails also as they come in. So with that, you can see that it's already there, but for this demo I'll have to delete this quickly before they read it. All right, so now that is exactly how to do it. So if you check on the page, for example, there's also how I've been doing it, because now for other articles that you'll be publishing, this is exactly what you'll be doing. Of course, you don't need to be sharing the image, because if you publish article and it doesn't have image, you don't need to follow this Facebook protocol. So what you just need to do is publish the article on your website. All right, click the category that it should be there, create an introduction to the article, then you say read more. Then when you say read more, you just do it like this, just do it the same way. All right, do it the same way. Then copy the article link, shorten it, follow this same process of pasting it on your site, pasting the introduction, read more, put the shortened URL after you shorten it on according to the process. All right, so for articles, you will not need to post the picture on your Facebook album, except you the article has an image that you want to post on your album, or that you want to share on your publish on your website. So with that, that's only when you follow this same principle. But for those wedding stories, because there is always pictures that they add on those wedding stories, you will follow these stories when you have this method demonstrated in these videos when you are publishing stories. But when you are writing only articles that does not have image, you just publish the article like demonstrated in one, publish the article, create like maybe the second to the last paragraph, or you write an introductory article, just introductory just a teaser content that would tell them what the article is all about, and encourage them to read it on this link. So you put read it for further to read more, click on you know, put semicolon, then put this URL that you have shortened according to the process demonstrated in this video. So once you've done that, you find out that whatever it is, so that you do not need to, the aim is not for you to publish full story again on full story or full article on Facebook, on your Facebook page. So you publish part of the article, little of this article, maybe one paragraph of it, then put a link where they need to click and go to your site to read it. And when you do it like that, you can always find out that you'll be reaching more people, and they will be reading it more, and they'll be creating more engagement. So when you click on it, for example, Facebook may want to suggest show that, okay, site details and all that, preview of the site and all that. You just delete the preview so that this thing can go further. So once you do it like that, you find out that they will be coming to your site, and we'll be able to be tracking people that will be coming to your site and be taking to their email, taking their details, and at the end of the day we'll be able to market other products to them in future. If you have any question, you can always feel very free to let me know, and we'll discuss more about that. Thank you.